Today I'm going to show you how to do soft curls with a flat iron. I'm going to start by sectioning off an inch, and I'm going to pin up the rest of the hair that I won't be touching. And now after I've done that, I'm going to take an inch just so there's not too much hair and it can hold the curl a little bit better. And for fine or soft hair, just make sure your temperature is not too high. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna run my flat iron through first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and twist. And as you twist, you wanna make sure you're moving it down and all the way through the ends. If you do have thick hair, I would take a smaller section. And if you do have fine hair, you're able to take a little bit bigger, but it's always better to go smaller. All right, and you're gonna continue this process until you're done with all the hair. I'm gonna use some hairspray and spray it real quick. Lightly. I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to go under the hair and I'm going to pull it out, and this just is so it gives it a nice natural looking feel. And if you do have too big of a curl, you can go ahead and just separate it like this so it gives you more curls.